Locked out of Temu because of suspicious activity. Don't worry, we're breaking down exactly how to get back into your account, step by step. First, head to the Temu login screen and look for the Forgot Password option. Click on it, as this is the quickest way to initiate the account recovery process. Next, Temu will ask you to enter either the email address or phone number you used to create your account. Make sure you enter it correctly, as this is key for them to locate your profile. Now check your email or phone for a verification code from Temu. It might take a minute or two to arrive, so be patient. Once you receive it, write it down or copy it to your clipboard. Enter the verification code into the designated field on the Temu app or website. Double check that you've entered it accurately, then click Verify. You'll now be prompted to create a new, strong password. Make sure it's something you haven't used before and includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and simple secure passwords. Ensure you don't get locked out again. Once you've created and confirmed your new password, you should see a confirmation message. Now you can log in to Temu using your newly created password. Congratulations, you're back in.